Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Hit the link down below. In this video, I said on the last video you see on my channel, my older brother, he's a regional manager for Amazon, and he sends the family gifts every year around the holidays, you know, with his birthdays or Christmas. And this is another package I've received one on Saturday. I just received another on Sunday. Another package here from Amazon. And we're going to open it up, see what it is. The other one, let's say you see it on the channel there. Go ahead and click it and watch that video. And hopefully, I think I know what this one is, considering it said heavy on the box and how much it weighed, or it appeared to weigh anyways, in the shape of the box. Bubble wrap stuff. Open them up here. Hoping they're brake rotors. I have a, on one of the videos on my channel you'll see, I have a Acura Integra that's right-hand drive that I'm replacing the entire front end suspension on, from inner and outer tie rod ends, upper and lower A-arms, the press-in wheel bearings, brake rotors, brake pads, brake calipers, engine mounts, transmission mounts. Redoing the entire front end on this thing, as far as suspension wise. Oh, and shocks. Yep, that appears that's what this is. Yep, sure is. Like two brand new brake disc, or rotors, as some countries call them, from Amazon. Isn't that sweet? Any of y'all out there using any Amazon parts? If you have, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you've used and what you got. You know, were they good quality? Were they junk? You know, did they hold up good? How'd the warranty work? Because I'm assuming those have some type of warranty, like 90 days or maybe 1 year. I mean, the brake rotors. Tell me what y'all think down below in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.